Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Slow English Practice. This is a special place where we learn English together, slowly and with heart. Every story here touches your soul, helps you speak better, and makes you feel strong emotions. I pour my love into each video just for you. Imagine sitting with me like old friends, sharing tears and smiles through words. This channel is my dream to help you grow in English and in life. Now, let's dive into this emotional story about a great man. Feel every word deep in your heart. Imagine a young man. He is 20 years old. The year is 1973. He sits in a dark cave. The air smells of earth and smoke. Outside, the wind howls through the hills of Shaanxi. His heart feels heavy with sadness and hope. His name is Xi Jinping. He holds a book in his hands. The pages are old and torn. He reads by the light of a small lamp. Tears sometimes fall on the pages, but he keeps going. Can you feel the cold stone under him? The heavy weight of hardship on his shoulders? Oh, how my heart aches for him. This was the moment. This was the moment everything changed. It breaks my heart, yet it inspires me so much. Repeat after me. This was the moment everything changed. He thinks back to his childhood, to the happy life he left behind. But here, in this cave, he finds deep strength. He learns from the poor farmers. He works in the fields. Day after day, his body hurts, but his spirit grows stronger. Oh, what pain and what beauty. This young man will one day lead a nation. But first, he must endure so much suffering. My eyes fill with tears thinking of his bravery. Let's go back to the beginning. Xi Jinping was born on June 15, 1953, in Beijing, China. His father was Shi Jinping, a hero of the revolution. His mother was Xin. She worked so hard for her family. Their love was warm like the sun. The home was full of books. Laughter echoed in the rooms. Young Xi played with his siblings. He ran through the streets. The sun warmed his face. Life seemed so bright, full of promise and joy. How sweet those days must have been. But times were changing. The world around him shifted. His father faced big troubles. Political storms brewed. My heart breaks for the little boy. Xi was just a boy. He watched. He listened. What will happen next? He wondered. The fear in his young heart touches me deeply. Can you imagine being that child? Seeing your family's world turn upside down? It makes me want to cry. Then came the storm. The Cultural Revolution began in 1966. Xi was 13. Chaos swept the land. Schools closed. Families broke apart. The pain was everywhere, like a dark cloud over hearts. His father was sent away to a far place. Xi's mother faced hard times too. The boy was alone in many ways. How lonely he must have felt. My heart aches so much for him. He joined the Red Guards at first. Like many young people, they marched in the streets, shouted slogans. The air was thick with tension. Flags waved in the wind. But soon, things turned bad. Xi himself faced criticism. He was sent to the countryside, to a village called Liangjiahe, in Shaanxi province. The journey must have been so scary and sad. Imagine the journey, a train ride, then a long walk, dust on his shoes, the sun beating down, his heart pounding with fear. He arrived in 1969. At age 15, the village was poor. Mud houses dotted the hills. Farmers worked with their hands, no machines, just sweat and soil. Oh, the hardship breaks my heart. Xi lived in a cave, carved into the yellow earth. It was dark, damp. Fleas bit his skin at night. He suffered so much, yet he stayed strong. He slept on a brick bed, heated by fire. The smoke stung his eyes. Winter winds froze his bones. Summer heat made him sweat. "How will I survive this?" he asked himself. But he did not give up. He worked in the fields, planted crops, carried heavy buckets of water. His hands blistered, his back ached. Tears come to my eyes imagining his pain. Day after day, he learned from the villagers. They shared their food, their stories, rice and vegetables, simple meals by the fire. Their kindness warmed his soul in the cold. One night, around the fire, an old farmer said, "Life is hard, but we endure." She nodded. He listened. He grew stronger. This touches me deeply. Such simple wisdom. This time shaped him. 7 years in the cave, from boy to man. He read books late at night, borrowed from friends. History, literature, philosophy. The pages lit by kerosene light. His passion for learning inspires me to tears. Can you picture him there, turning the pages, dreaming of the future? It fills my heart with hope and emotion. He joined the Communist Party in 1974. After many tries, 10 applications, he did not stop. "I will serve the people," he vowed. His determination makes me so proud. This was the turning point. The cave taught him resilience, empathy, leadership. Oh, what a beautiful transformation. The Cultural Revolution ended in 1976. Xi left the village. He went to university, Tsinghua University in Beijing. He studied chemical engineering. The campus was alive. Students discussed ideas. The air smelled of fresh books. Xi focused hard, his heart full of purpose. What next? He chose public service. He worked in the military first. As a secretary, he wore a uniform, learned discipline, then to the provinces. In 1982, he went to Hebei, a small county. He rode a bicycle to work, met farmers, listened to their problems. His kindness touched their lives. "How can I help?" he asked. He fixed roads, built wells. The people trusted him. Their gratitude must have warmed his heart. Step by step, he rose to Fujian province in 1985, a coastal area, busy ports, ships coming and going. The sea air was salty. Waves crashed on the shore. The sound of the sea must have soothed his soul. In Fujian, he fought corruption, promoted business. He met his wife there, Peng Liwan, a famous singer. They married in 1987. Their love story makes me emotional, so pure and true. Imagine their wedding, simple, joyful, laughter and music. They had a daughter, Qi Mingzi, born in 1992. Family became his anchor. Ah, the joy of family. Peng's voice filled their home, songs of love and hope. She supported her, she supported him. Their bond is so touching. He moved to Zhejiang in 2002 as party secretary. The economy boomed, factories hummed, people prospered. He brought hope to many. He visited villages, factories, schools, always listening. "What do you need?" he would say. His care for people moves me deeply. Then to Shanghai in 2007, the big city. Skyscrapers touched the sky, lights glittered at night. He prepared for the World Expo, made the city shine. This was the climb from cave to city halls. Hard work, dedication. His journey fills my heart with admiration. Can you see the path? Each step building on the last. It inspires such strong feelings. In 2007, a big change. Xi joined the top leaders, the Politburo Standing Committee. He was vice president in 2008. His rise was like a dream come true. The world watched. Beijing hosted the Olympics. Fireworks lit the sky. Athletes from everywhere. Xi helped organize. Pride swelled in his heart. China is rising, people said. The excitement must have been overwhelming. He traveled abroad, met world leaders, shook hands, smiled for cameras. Then the moment came. In 2012, he became General Secretary of the Communist Party. A grand hall, red carpets, applause echoed. He stood tall. My heart swells with pride. In 2013, he was elected president. The great hall of the people. Flags waved. The air was electric. I will work for the people, he promised. His voice steady, strong. His words touch my soul. As leader, he launched big plans. The Belt and Road Initiative, connecting countries, building roads, ports, bridges. Imagine the map. Lines linking Asia, Europe, Africa. Trade flowing like rivers. It brings hope to the world. He fought corruption. Many officials faced justice. No one is above the law, he said. The nation cleaned up. He cared for the environment, planted trees, cleaned rivers, blue skies returned to cities. His love for nature warms my heart. Rivers, blue skies returned to cities. His love for nature warms my heart. Poverty alleviation, millions lifted from hardship. New homes, jobs, smiles on faces. In villages, farmers harvested better crops. Children went to better schools. The joy on their faces brings tears to my eyes. During tough times, like the pandemic in 2020, he led with calm. We will overcome, he declared. Masks, vaccines, unity. China stood strong. The world saw his resolve. His strength in crisis moves me so much. Behind the leader, a family man. His wife, Peng Liwan, she sings for the people. Her voice touches hearts. Their love is so deep and beautiful. They walk together, hand in gardens, under blooming flowers, the scent of jasmine in the air. Such romantic moments. Their daughter studies abroad, keeps a low profile. She teaches values, humility, hard work. He loves reading. Books fill his shelves. History, poetry, novels. In quiet moments, he reflects, sips tea, watches the sunset, orange skies over Beijing. These simple joys fill my heart with warmth. Sports too. He swims, plays football, encourages health for all. A strong body for a strong nation, he says. Can you imagine his days? Meetings, decisions, but also family dinners. Laughter around the table, simple joys. It makes me feel so connected to him. Leadership brings challenges. Economic shifts, global tensions. Xi navigates them with wisdom. His courage inspires me. He promotes the Chinese dream, prosperity for all. Work together, he urges. Factories innovate. Technology advances. Phones, trains, space missions. China reaches for the stars. Rockets launch. Flames roar. Astronauts wave from space. The wonder of it all. In Hong Kong and Taiwan, complex issues. He seeks unity, peace. Internationally, he builds friendships, visits Africa. Europe, America, handshakes, talks, smiles. Win-win cooperation, he repeats. Trade deals signed, culture shared. His vision for peace touches my soul. Triumphs shine. In 2021, poverty eradicated. A historic win. cheers across the land. Beijing Winter Olympics in 2022. Snow, ice, athletes gliding. The world united in sport. Snow, ice, athletes gliding. The world united in sport. This is the drama. Ups and downs, like a novel's plot. Twists and turns, but always forward. His life is a story of hope and victory. Now, reflect with me. Xi Jinping's life, from a boy in Beijing to a man in a cave to leader of billions. What a journey full of emotion. What can we learn? Resilience from those hard years. Never give up, he shows us. Work hard, serve others. The cave taught him that. Villagers' wisdom, books' knowledge. His legacy? A stronger China, connected world, dreams realized. It fills me with so much inspiration and love. But it's ongoing. The story continues. What will the next chapter bring? Can you see it? A life of purpose, inspiration for all. Thank you for shadowing with me on Slow English Practice. This channel is my heart's work to make English easy and emotional for you. If this story touched your soul, please subscribe right now. It means the world to me. Like this video to show your love and share it with friends who need slow English practice. Your support helps me create more stories like this. Subscribe, like, and share today. I'll see you in the next story.